Drugstore makeup under €10, including 4 luxury dupes. Hi, I'm Natalija and I'm showing you the best drugstore makeup from 2025 I'm bringing into this year. Starting with this game changer, Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer. You know Urban Decay's primer potion. This is a 100% dupe, same performance, long-lasting, crease-proof. For my hooded eyes and light skin, I need a perfect base shade. This Essence Soft Touch Mono Eyeshadow in shade 1 is the perfect canvas to open up the lid and make it look wider. Applying it all over with my Real Techniques base brush. Now the best affordable neutral palette of 2025, Makeup Revolution Metallic Muse. Under €10, 12 shades, pigmented, blendable, minimal fallout. I'm using just 2 shades for a quick look. This brownish pink goes in my crease, but I'm blending it higher because of my hooded eyes. With a dumb finger I am picking up the shimmery metallic shade and pressing it right on the center and inner corner. Cleaning minimal fallout. Skipping foundation today. Cream products are best for over 40 skin. This Catrice True Skin High Coverage Concealer is so good. It's 2-in-1. Now placement is key for mature skin. We are lifting, not dragging down. Inner corners toward the nose, outer corners up toward brows, center of nose, jawline on both sides, center of forehead. Blending with one of my favorite 2025 tools, this Sosu Cosmetic Makeup Sponge. It's so soft and gives the most natural finish, no dragging or emphasizing lines, just gentle tapping. For contour, this Primer Cream Contour is a total dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Vans. So easy to blend, no patches. Placing it higher on my cheekbones to lift, around the top of my forehead. Look how natural that looks on 40+ skin. Another Charlotte Tilbury dupe. This cream blush in pink, but it looks like a glowy peach. Gives such a healthy color. Higher on the cheeks, forehead, center of the nose. Look at that glow. And the third dupe. This cream highlighter in champagne shade. Tapping it gently on the highest points of my cheekbones, forehead, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose. Just blending everything together with a sponge for that seamless finish. For brows, this Sheglam 3-in-1 Laminating Brow Gel is all I need. It has a small comb, a brush and a spoolie for the tinted gel. Shaping them with a comb, setting with a brush, even my sparse thin brows look so much fuller with just one product. That's why it's my favorite. Finally, lips, my absolute favorite lip product of 2025. Essence Color Changing Lip Oil in shade 6 Cranberry is back. The product itself, what it does, the packaging, the smell, the low price, everything is perfect. It smells incredible and leaves the prettiest lip stain while keeping lips hydrated with a subtle pink tint. Absolute must-have. And we are done. A full face using my best drugstore products from 2025 I'm bringing into this year. Let me know if you love this kind of videos. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye!